And this is my last changed circuit, my modification to CIRC-03 motors. What I've done is I've found a Lego NXT motor, and I'm using the lab cable hack that is provided for the CS207 lab, along with 4 transistors and 4 flyback diodes to control an H-bridge. The Arduino has been programmed with an if-else statement which can recognize the 4 combinations of these 2 buttons, one pressed, the other pressed, none pressed, and both pressed, and it's mapped those onto the 4 possible states for an H-bridge motor controller. Pushing one button causes the motor to spin in one direction, pushing the other button causes it to spin in the other. When I release, everything, all the transistors, which are all 3904 NPN transistors, are grounded, and so the current is cut off on all 4 branches of the H-bridge circuit. When I press both buttons, the motor is effectively in brake mode, which means it resists motion a little bit. Flicking it with my finger, I can get it to move, but it doesn't want to move as much. When it's let go, it'll move a little bit more readily. You can see the difference in the action if I turn on the motor and then let go of the button. You can see how far it swings afterward. If I press this button and then stop by pressing the other one, it stops much more suddenly. And there we are, my H-bridge circuit implementation and microcontroller control code attached to the buttons. Hopefully that's enough. I had intended to work with the rotary encoder that's built into this, but the wiring information that I found doesn't seem to match the reality that's going on in here. I cannot detect either high or low levels, whether I use pull-ups or not to try and detect it. The wiring is still there. I read zeros no matter what. I'm going to see if maybe I've got a bad cable. But I'm out of time, so it's time to finish up. Bye!